Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to disable sound and vibration for specific times in YouTube. It's very important, but it's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone, then tap on new button. Now tap on gear icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on notification settings. Scroll down now, and then here you can see an option disable sound and vibration. Turn this on. After turn this on, the sound and vibration are disabled. Now again tap on this to specify the time. See here, this is start time. You can customize this. I set it 9 p.m. and then tap on in time. I set it for 11 p.m. Then tap on OK. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.